Hello brothers, sisters. So I'm in Abidjan and the streets of Abobo Domain. Over here they make acheke and they smoke fish over here. So today's video I'll be taking you around to see this process, how this is done. Man, one thing I've noticed over here that you can't just come to Abidjan and be speaking the local language, which is the Akan language. Anyhow over here insulting people on the street. Man, these people really understand the local language, which is Akan, and they disguise themselves. Man, it's funny and really interesting to see the similarities between Ghana and Abidjan or Côte d'Ivoire. Man, these people are Akans over here. Trust me, they are Akans. 100% Akans. So we have
Akwaba is Akan.
Akan. So you speak Akan? You speak Akan? You Akan? Baoulé. You Baoulé. Yeah? Abouré. Baouré, Abouré.
Ebrié, Abouré, Ani, Baoulé.
Mélangé. Ah, ok. Ah, so you're sitting here after Sud. Sud Akan. Sud Abidjan.
À côté de Ghana.
Okay. Akan. Oh, okay. Ghana Akan, exactly. So the southern part of Côte d'Ivoire is Akan. So Abouré, Enyin, Baoulé, Eni, Ajuku, they all Akan. That's why she has Akwaba over here. Bon arrivé. C'est rien, ça rien. Hey, mommy teach you. It's a what is it nine? 2000. Okay. Hello brothers, sisters. You're called Simon Trevi. Okay, over here it's called Marché Beverly. It's a local spot, and over here they smoke fish and meat. Okay, all kinds of fish, all kinds of meat you can find over here. This is the place that they do that people do come by and they take to the marketplace to sell. So it's affordable over here. So if you're able to make it to this place, you get a good price. They have barracuda, they have catfish, they have herring, pork meat, ribs, a whole lot. Cow tail, cow feet, goat meat, a whole lot. Okay, so if you come to Beverly Marché, everything goes on over here. And one amazing thing is that they have guys that also do this mess. Ah, you have bush meat over there. So they have bush meat, everything over here at Beverly Marché, okay, in Trevi in Abidjan. So I'll take you around for you guys to see what's going on over here. If you come to Beverly, and there's one thing is that you have Ghanaians, Ivorians, and whole tribes over here that sells or that smoke over here. Man, the work over here is not easy. It's really tedious. You see how my eyes are bleeding because the smoke over here is excessive, and people are really working hard over here. They are hustling, especially the ladies. Man, our ladies or African ladies really deserve some applause. They are really doing well for us to have food on our table. Bonjour maman.
Oui, bonjour frère.
Comment tu t'appelles?
Ça va.
On Friday.
Ah, je m'appelle Ayoro Bravivian Épouse Bolo.
Épouse Bolo.
Oui.
So basically I'm here and they smoke fish over here. So what she's doing, this Abidjan, okay, catfish. So this is how she calls it. Okay. So she take off the guts and she calls it, making sure that the bones is broken using the cutlass. Okay, and she calls it. Okay, so this is the business she's doing. How many years now is that going?
Combien d'années? Je connais pas aller là. J'ai eu en transition. Il y a eu je crois appelle BPC.
BPC.
J'ai duré dedans. J'avais 10 ans et puis j'ai commencé ce travail-là avec ma tante.
Ok.
Je reste et puis maintenant je mets ces grillages.
Ok.
Ça là, on fait 5 000.
C'est so amazing. Okay, so if you come to Beverly Marché, you can call this madam. Numéro
07 2 fois 52 72 03.
Man, this is the catfish that she smokes. Okay, and when it's ready, we have something like this over here.
Madame.
Okay, so this is the final. Now you see how crispy the fish looks like. This is usual. So after that, people do come here and buy and they do business with it. So this is the starting point of the whole fish business. Amazing.
Ça là c'est poisson, ça est broché.
Yeah.
C'est déjà fumé.
Ça
c'est dans l'Europe.
Okay. So they use the smoke.
Les bois sont bonbons. Hein. Nous on prend pas de veillard. C'est les bonbons.
C'est un bonbon. Okay. So over here is what they do over here, man. You see the space, very huge, and this is the business that's going on over here. Hey, meter.
Hey, meat.
So this cow tail. So you got So we have our Ghanaian sister over here. She grills cow tail. Okay, so over here in Tresby, Beverly, right? Beverly, that's what she does over here. Okay. Wow. Man, the smoke over here is not easy. Man, it's crazy over here. So here to tuna. What you want to? Bonjour. Bonjour. Man, so this is the business. So this side is the male section over here. They also do. Man, look at that giant catfish over here. Okay. Man, so amazing. Man, look at that. Wow. Non, on parle français. Anglais. Anglais. Je suis anglais. Amazing. Okay. Adrenaline, different types. Man, this big over here. Amazing. Man, the smoke is not easy over here, man. These guys are doing an amazing job. And it is what it is. Man, see this one.
Ouais, ça c'est bon poisson.
How much? How much?
Ça là, un morceau, 10 000.
So this is my translator over here. She understands my local language. Un carton. Morceau.
Non.
Okay.
Ouais, on Obidjan
okay. Okay. So obi or nam fresh. Wow. Okay, so over here, what is that? If you have a fresh fish, you can bring it and he can smoke it for you. Wow, amazing. So he does is he smoke fish for people. Amazing. Okay. You good? You good? Bono. Okay. Health, yeah. Wow. Amazing. So they take out the gas. This is barracuda fish. So they have all kinds of fish over here. Not only catfish, all kinds of fish. Amazing. This is herring. So the head is taken off and has been chopped into pieces. So they wash everything over here and do on top of the fire. Okay. Because some doesn't want fish. Because some doesn't want salt, they don't add salt to it. They just smoke it like that. That's why when you buy fish at the market, it's not that kind of unique taste. Okay, because there's no salt that's been added to it. Man, you see how my eyes are. So over here is the pork rib. Okay. Just pork rib. Amazing. What is the bucket here saying? When you are saying?
Yes.
Most second. No, come on. 1 cedi say 100 cedi. 400 cedi.
Oh, mais c'est 4 non.
C'est
Mi francs. Mi francs. Higher from mi francs.
100 and no 1,000. Coin and we are 1,000. Okay, this 1,000. Okay, this 1,000 CFA. Oh, okay. That's 20 cedis. So 4 is for 20 cedis. Please make from 1,000 cedis. Wow, amazing. So they smoke all types of fish over here. Okay, all type of fish. So
Macharon, on nettoie. On fait comme ça.
Wow.
On enlève nyama.
Okay.
Comme ça.
She's taking out the guts and everything from inside.
Et puis on fait comme ça.
Okay.
On tape.
Okay.
Tu fais comme ça. Tu fais comme ça.
Yeah.
Tu tapes. Tu casses.
Okay.
Puis maintenant tu mets dans sa bouche.
Wow.
Tu mets piquant.
Okay. They use peel over here.
Tu fais comme ça. Tu casses peut-être un peu.
Okay.
Tu mets dans l'eau. Encore tu prends l'autre.
Wow. So,
tu marches Belleville. Macharon. Chat.
Okay. Macharon piqué. Okay.
Lui là, ça là, on ouvre. On fait macharon, on fait opérer.
Okay. Okay, you divide it into two. Okay. So this is smoked fish, catfish, but it's being divided into different form. Wow, amazing. So this is the bush meat. Then I can't hear now. I can't hear. So this is the bush meat. Okay, grass cutter and antelope. Okay, wow. Man, they sell everything, mackerel and corn. So I have a Ghanaian lady over here who speaks the local language. That would make it easy for me. What's your name?
Elizabeth Nisi.
Elizabeth Nisi. Okay.
Nisi.
Nisi. Okay. You got you Asante Fanti. A hunter. Okay, it's a hunter. So what do you do over here? Can you give us a rundown what you do over here?
Cheche muma.
Madam, where are they?
Yeah, one fish.
Fish and poutine.
And then chitam. And then chili dia koto dre abodre bibia.
Hey, abodre. Interesting. Now, in general, bibi can one and I'm not brown and are there. You didn't put
mango.
So they use the mango tree. And that's which mango be okay, so they use the mango tree. Because of the mango tree, that's what it makes it turns the fish to have that color, that brownish color. Amazing. Because we can do a baby no issue. Brazil bear. No, that too. I'm going to use general. Wow. And so when you chemical be number from one year. It's one of my body. So if you call 01-522-76376, you can call this our lady over here, and she sells a whole lot. Okay, and everything that he wants to. So this bush meat, okay. I buy them. Aguti.
Erison
aguti. It's what you say. I can't say. 12,000. 3,000. We need 3,000. 3,000 safer. 30,000. 30,000. Okay. Okay, 30,000. So the 10,000 is 6 million. The smoke is 6 million in Ghana cedis. So this is the smoked chicken. Okay, smoked chicken over here.
And you walk.
Okay.
And you walk away so.
I know. I'm doing hataso.
We not hataso.
I'm doing hataso. I didn't tell hataso.
In the office,
to smoke no, I can't. Okay, so they use the carton to cover it so that the smoke can stay in and smoke it well. Okay. Wow, amazing, man. It's not easy over here. It's really not easy. Amazing. Then I'm not here. Mackerel. I'm coming. Then I'm coming. Okay. Tumbio. Okay. Amazing. It's a idea.
1,500.
1,500. Okay. 1,500. No, you should cry.
4,500.
Okay. Now watch him. Okay. Man, it's not easy. Damn, it's really not easy. Basic.